Fox with Urban Surfaces here, and we're at the Fontana Senior Community Center looking at InstaGrip 28 plank recently installed in their activities room as well as in their dining room, over 12,000 square feet. This project came about because there were severe moisture issues, and the previous flooring that was installed was actually blowing off. And they've gone through 2 rounds of flooring, and at this point we're really looking for a solution. We came in and brought in our in-house specialist, Hank Fernandez, realized that we needed something more than just a traditional PSA adhesive. So we used our Omni adhesive, which is a 2-in-1 adhesive moisture barrier that protects against 100% moisture. So in this case, it was the ideal solution, a product that is essentially guaranteed not to blow off before this time around. You know, at Urban Surfaces, we really are more than just a supplier. We're a true partner. Projects like this just go to prove our positioning in the market. We want to be a partner. We work hand in hand with the installers to help them familiarize themselves with how to apply the product correctly. Job walks, helping our customers understand the situations that they're walking into, and helping them come up with viable solutions. Since we've come in with InstaGrip, this being a 5mm overall thick product, it's actually providing for a much more comfortable feel. So hearing from a lot of the residents that they actually enjoy their time on the floor. We really are more of a partner at the end of the day, hands down. That's what it's all about, being a true partner. And in all facets of the business, not just dealing with our customers directly, but also interacting with their clients and guiding them into the right solution for their flooring. This was installed back in January. We're now in May, and so far so good. Floor is looking great. Nothing but positive things to say about this one.